Instagram. Like, I'm just trying to wake some people up tonight, bro. You know, everybody's always asking me for financial advice. And you know what? I just want to say something, bro. You know, we're all human beings, bro. We eat, sleep, breathe, shit, and bleed the same, bro. We humans. We're fucking humans, bro. You know, difference between me and a lot of you guys and a lot of us and a lot of you is, you know, you guys share these big ass dreams with these small-minded fucking people who earn a $30, $40, $50,000 salary, and you get discouraged. And you know what? You get mad when you share your $1 million idea with this person who earns 30, 40, $50,000 a year, bro. Stop doing that dumbass shit. Ain't nobody gonna see the vision, bro. Nobody's gonna see the vision how you're gonna see the vision, bro. Nobody. So stop sharing your big ass dreams with these small-minded fucking people, man. You think it's a good ass idea? Okay, you know what? You better start. You better get started. You better get started, bro. Like I said, man, I'm just nobody. I'm just 23-year-old, 6-figure earner, about to be a 7-figure earner, sitting in one of two of my Lamborghinis who don't need to ask for nobody's advice, man. I got something in my head. You know what? I'm gonna fight for it. Simple. At the end of the day, keeping it real, ain't nobody want to see you doing better than them, bro. Nobody wants to see you doing better than them. You know what I mean? Stop seeking approval, man, and stop getting discouraged when you share your $1 million idea with somebody who can't see the vision and they tell you it's a stupid ass idea. You know what? You got a $1 million idea, you got a big ass idea, man. You know what? Boom, fight for it, bro. Do what you gotta do, man. If it doesn't work out, guess what? It doesn't fucking matter, because the average human being makes about 35,000 decisions every single day, and 7 of 10 major financial decisions get postponed. Why? Because of stupidity like that, looking for people's opinions and sharing these big ass dreams with these small-minded fucking people, man. Like I said, bro, stop doing that shit, man. If it doesn't work out, man, you guys will have another idea. But you never know, man. It could be the one. So stop seeking approval, man. Fight and do what you gotta do. Simple.